Hello students, good morning. Today's our chapter is animals our friends. So really students, animals are our friend? Of course yes, because we use various animals and their products in our day-to-day life. Animals have played important role in the beginning of our civilization. Today we have heavy vehicles, machines. We developed the engine, therefore there is less use of the animals. But since early life, there is very close relation of human being with animals, and animals thus were the important part of our life. Some animals are cared by human being. That is, these animals are taken care by human beings. Such animals are called as pet animals. So, for example, cow, dogs, cat, camel, horse, parrot, goat, sheep, donkey, oxen, etc. They are called, that is, pet animals, because these animals are taken care by human beings. How are animals useful for us? This is our next question. So, pet animals are useful. For example, cow gives us milk and we prepare various items with the help of milk. Dogs care our houses. Do you know that? The dogs are used by the police department for searching the criminals. They also help to find the fact. Goat and sheep, they give us wool for making clothes. Horse, donkeys, camel, etc. are used to carry loads and for the transport. Honeybee give us honey. Today we use heavy vehicles for means of transport, but since the beginning of the civilization, animals have played important role in the life of human beings. We use many products like milk, cheese, honey, eggs, meat as food. They are obtained from animals. We get silk and wool for making clothes. They also come from animals. We get leather from the skin of animals like goat, sheep, buffalo, etc. to make shoes, purses, bags, belts, etc. Okay? Fish, prawn, lobster, crabs are used as seafood. Oyster is a type of shellfish. It is eaten both cooked and raw. Now there is a category of animal, draught animal. An animal used for pulling heavy loads is called a draught animal. Example, horse, elephant, camel, oxen, etc. So up to 200 years ago, the human beings were using these animals as an important part of their life for the means of transport from one place to another place. They were used for carrying loads, while the kings sent their force for the protection of their state. So they used as the means of transport. In this way, all over the here we conclude that the animals have played very important role earlier as well as today also. We are dependent on the animals for various things, and hence this topic is really true that animals are our friends. Now you may ask question that how is the cat and parrots are our friend? So as you know that cat, parrots are pet for entertainment because they do copy of our voice, and people like this. Cat also they is a pet animal because it protect our grains from rat. As you know that rat are very harmful rodent, so the cat help us to protect our grains and our stock of grain from rodents. Thank you.